this Republic Day, when the entire nation celebrates with pride and patriotism, News 9 brings you a special ground report from the country's front lines. We will show you how the soldiers guarding the nation celebrate Republic Day while standing firm in the line of duty. Your channel News 9 has reached a forward post in the Kupwara district of North Kashmir, just 2 to 3 kilometers in aerial distance from Pakistan. And these are routes that were once notorious for terror infiltration. Here's more in this report by my colleague Mehraj Ahmed.
Well, we are adjacent to LOC, and you are seeing that this is Soltam gun, which is, we can say in other words, that this is 150 mortar firing gun, which have been used in Operation Sindoor as well. So far we can say that this drill is done every day by these Jawans to keep the enemy out of their reach and out of any such attack or any such plan to attack them. Then we can say these Jawans are doing this drill every morning. You are seeing that temperature here is under -15 to 20, but we can say that these Jawans and the Josh of these Jawans are always high to reply the enemy with multiple force, and that is what we are seeing here. And on this Republic Day, TV9 brings you the special from LOC and from those Jawans who are making the country secure and safe. And we can say such Jawans are really pride of our country, and TV9 really salutes them. Well, we are at forward post in Kupwara, and you are watching. This is a logistic drone inducted in army in forward posters. This is a logistic drone, and this type of drones are capable to ferry loads from one post to another post in emergency situations like the weather advisories. Such are we witnessing here in forward posters. We are seeing that these peaks are just got fresh snowed, and after heavy snows on these peaks, the contact between two posters sometimes gets affected, and these drones came to rescue in such way, and these drones are used in that matter to reach from one post to another with some logistic support, so to keep all the posts connected. And this is made in India project. We can say this type of drones have been made under the Made in India program, and we are believing and hoping that many more such technically highly advanced things will be inducted in army soon as well, and are getting inducted at present right now. And such tactics and such technology is really enhancing the strength of Indian army, especially on forward posters like Kupwara and many other like in Udi as well. वो भी नियंत्रण रेखा से सटी एक अग्रिम चौकी पर है, और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि किस तरीके से भीषण बर्फबारी के बीच में किस तरीके से जो है सेना जो है वो नियंत्रण रेखा की रखवाली में हमेशा जुटी रहती है। और आप देख सकते हैं कि ये जो है 6 सॉयर फाइल है, जो अभी आप देख सकते हैं ये 6 सॉयर राइफल है, जो कि रिसेंटली जो है इंडियन आर्मी को मिली है। और आप देख सकते हैं कि ये देखिए किस तरीके से जो है जैसे ही टारगेट को एस्टेब्लिश करती है जो निगरानी पर टीम होती है, वो इसी तरीके से टारगेट को जो है एंगेज करके उस पर फायर करती है। और कोशिश ये होती है कि एक टारगेट एक फायर एक किल हो, यानी दुश्मन की जिसको कह सकते हैं कि जो मूवमेंट होती है उसको देखते ही जो है ये टीम्स ऐसे ही जो है बिल्कुल उनको निशाना बनाते हुए फायर करती है। और इस तरीके से हम इस गणतंत्र दिवस पर ये स्पष्ट करना चाहते हैं कि किस तरीके से ऐसे बर्फीले इलाकों में भी जो है सेना जो है हमेशा जो है सतर्क रहती है, और विशेषकर जब भी कभी दुश्मन के ऐसे प्रयास लगते हैं तो निस्संदेह बिना किसी देरी के जो है भारतीय सेना के जवान जो है ऐसे ही फायर करके दुश्मन के परखचे उड़ा देते हैं और उसके नापाक मंसूबों को समय रहते विफल बनाते हैं।